In this week's SOFI analysis, we will see if the upside will continue or if it will get stopped out and reverse back on down. Welcome back to Fintech Spy, where we dive deep into fintech charts and market trends. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button for more technical breakdowns. Let us hop right into SOFI. Before we begin, as a reminder, I am not a financial advisor, and you should do more homework than just this spy on what the chart is doing. Over here on the weekly view, boy do we have a turn of events here. We have pulled back even more and bounced down to that 26.99 Fibonacci level. Hopefully this is not the start of a bigger downtrend, but just a bounce point to the upside. We can see on the Stoch RSI that we're starting to climb out of oversold, but the MACD lines are still drifting further apart, which keeps a bit of caution in the air. I am really hoping that the rate cut announcement and the new SOFI Smart Card news can help turn things around here and fuel an end-of-week rally off this Fibonacci level. Moving over to the daily view, we have finally had our first green candle of the week. With that candle being an inverted hammer, it could be signaling that our turnaround has started. It is not a guarantee, but it is the first sign of buyers really pushing back. Luckily, the Stoch RSI has also come closer to the oversold end of neutral, which means an end-of-year Santa rally can happen without that indicator getting in the way and acting as resistance. Coming over to the 4-hour chart, we can see that bull channel forming even more clearly here. It looks like it could still take us down toward that lower $20 range before really launching us higher. Right now, we have dipped below that 50 EMA around 27.77. But we have started to crawl back toward it and have the possibility of crossing back over by the end of the week. That should help with any algos that use that level as a selling metric. And with the MACD now crossed over to the bullish side, we can also start to climb back toward those all-time highs if buyers stay committed. Looking at the December 12th options chain, we have had a lot more bear activity than we did at the start of the week, while the bulls are still continuing to add more. On the put side, that 26 mark seems like the final resting place, with a lot of open interest sitting there. On the calls, the big battle looks to be between the 30 strike and the 31 strike, with both sides trying to claim that finish line into expiration. This game of tug-of-war is about to get fun, as we find out who is going to end up in the money and who is going to end up worthless by Friday. SOFI traders definitely are going to have a happy holidays with how much they are making with all this volatility. While the candles have not looked the greatest this past week, the amount of movement that is supposed to happen in the coming days looks pretty exciting for active traders. Once again, I am optimistic. Although we may pull back some more in the short term, we still have a great chance of launching even higher than we have been if these catalysts line up. If you agree, disagree, or want another ticker in the spotlight, drop a comment and we will spy on it next.